Alright guys, so Steve just called. He said he's pulling up with some goodies. Let's go see what he has. Alright guys, we're coming over here to see what he has. Yeah, that is the polyfill. Alright, so we're gonna make a pillow today. Custom interior out of pillows. Just kidding. We got a sound system to install. Have not did one of these in a while. You said box came pre-loaded, so this should be pretty simple install. He's keeping the same deck he's running, so pretty simple adapter that he already ordered. Let's check out that adapter.
I think it's 07 to 13 radios.
Sweet. These have got a lot more legit since the last time I've did these. All right, guys. So we're gonna run to O'Reilly's, get some plastic body pullers so we can do this right without scuffing up too much, and we'll be back. Aw, man, we were listening to that. All right, guys, taking a stroll through the lovely neighborhood. Nice yard. Safety first, guys. Gotta set a good example for you kids watching. All right, we'll be back. Okay, this. Oh, golly.
Did he really? No.
Anyone have a 2013, 2011 Avalanche bezel? Just kidding.
Did he really break it?
No, just kidding. So basically that trim bezel pops out of there.
You can get to the video just perfectly.
Yep, and then all these bolts are right there. It looks like some 8 mils, maybe 7 mils.
Yeah, there's a date on this.
And then pull this radio out. And then from there, hook up this adapter box. Got some RCA outputs. And then, yeah, go from there, guys. This should be pretty simple. Kind of probably just treat this as more of an informative video for you guys, just because it's, you know, to me, really down to the basics. This is actually where I started fooling around with vehicles, is installing systems for buddies in high school, just because I watched YouTube and then started doing them quite often. So this is my bread and butter. We'll get back. Yeah, so just a couple of these 7mm bolts, and then we should have that. While we're out here working on this unbelievable sight, we'll kind of turn the camera. We have Chance over here working on, you guessed it, his own vehicle today.
Shut up.
He's out here in the nice safety equipment. I think we call those. I think we call those Crocs. And then I like to give you guys a, I don't know, kind of word that I heard is, we got some Harbor Freight jacks. There's actually one right there. Those are O'Reilly's, but that Harbor Freight jack, they're actually under a recall. Thankfully, he's not gonna get crushed by them because we got some AC Delcos. We'll be back. Alright guys, so we got the adapter pulled through. We just went through down there, if you want to show them.
Goes up down through there.
Fed them right up through here. Got 4 plug-ins.
Plug the factory harness into one and then into the radio.
Yeah, should be pretty straightforward. And this is on a 2012, you said?
11, so this time.
2011 Avalanche, which this should be pretty.
All the radios are the same in the cars and the trucks.
Yeah. Did you order this adapter? Mm-hmm. Okay. And basically all this adapter is going to let you do, since this is not an aftermarket radio.
Gives you the RCA capabilities.
Yeah, now you have RCA outputs, so you can run it to external amplifiers for subs, or if you wanted to run an amplifier to more door speakers, the list goes on. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Next we're going to find a place to run this, to route the power cable and such.
Okay, I see you. Maybe.
Are the rest of them tight?
I think so. They're in there as far as
Peekaboo!
I gotta fish everything down into there because this radio is tight.
Real tight.
Hey.
Oh, look at that. Got the touchscreen installed. Looking good.
You even... God damn it.
No touchscreen here, guys.
And your battery's about dead there, Kiwi Sabi.
Shoot. Alright, guys. We got to conserve some battery life. Yeah?
Yeah, we could always run.
What the? What are you doing with that remote wire? Steven, what are you doing? That's not his name, guys. It's actually just Steve. I've seen his birth certificate.
Oh, I've already pulled it through. Doesn't matter. It was hell getting this bitch to sit perfect because this one's fucked up.
Might as well leave that undone so we can fish the 12 volt with view.
Yeah.
And then just button it all up when we're done. But yeah, guys, so we got the remote and RCAs almost in underneath the floorboard, as you guys can see. Our best option and to get the cleanest, efficient look is running them right underneath that carpet. It's the easiest place to get to. It keeps them hidden. Pop that little cover off, ran them behind there, then ran them behind the carpet, pop it out there, get it come under this kick panel, then follow the door trim all the way back under this one, under these ones, then it's going to come behind the seat. Amplifier is going to be behind the seat over there. Easy as that, guys. Grab this, feed this little Larry through. And a tip, so when you guys are running your wire, try not to run your RCAs and any 12 volt next to each other, because this RCA cable has basically your sound frequencies that get amplified from your amplifier into your speaker systems. But basically when you run any 12 volt next to them, it can have the possibility of creating static and just affecting it. Yeah, supercharger whine. You don't want any of that. So it's pretty simple. Don't do that. And we got our cameraman back. Show your face.
Yeah, so I'm back. Wait a minute, is my face dirty?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, yeah, so really awkward clip of Tony's face there. It was probably just his mouth moving because he doesn't know where to put a camera. But, dude, we're going to put all the neighbors to shame with these subs. I really like how Steve came over so we could do the majority of this, but he's ended up doing the majority of this too. And he's good to know is after we get all this done, he's still going to help with the Trailblazer because I only got 3 bolts tightened.
No, he already said he's not.
He's not?
Yeah, he's got to go eat dinner.
Oh, what?
He has some, girl he's, really excited about, he said.
Oh, dang.
Makes his heart happy and full. I don't know.
And Flutter?
We'll see. Flutter, butterfly, I don't know.
All right, we'll be back in a sec. All right, guys. Wait. You said I could help.
There's the wire going to be in the way.
What the heck are you doing back there?
I'm installing 12 volt wire.
All right, Tony, try to see if you can fish it, dude. He can record you.
All right, I can probably do it if I can see it.
Oh, yeah.
I can't see it, though. Oh, well. Well, good luck with this.
You going to try to start your...
No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for you.
Move your ass.
Oh, we can say that on YouTube now.
And then see if you can fish it around.
Really, the more we talk about this, the more I keep hearing that's what she said.
See if you can fish it around that wire. See that black wire back there?
This is a lot of fun, guys.
Push down on this.
Don't understand anything about this at all. Because I'm not good with electronics. I'm good with computers and stuff, but wiring stuff, no. Like my PC, bought it built.
Oh, that black wire.
Hey, there's some things I'll build, but not a PC. But
there's a giant loop.
did you already tell him what the pillow stuffing's for?
I know. If I explained enough for you, and you can.
Oh yeah, so the pillow stuffing, basically, this box is small and stuff like that. And apparently you want a really big box when you do sound systems. So
Not necessarily.
okay, so you want a box that sounds good when you have sound systems, and the fact that it follows the seat and has weird angles and stuff causes a lot of reverb or makes the sound waves really big and dancey.
Yep.
So if you like stuff it a little bit, it evens out those sound waves and gives you a lot better quality of sound.
Well, you're gonna have a knot coming through, but.
And that's a Tony tip right there. And what is this wire?
This is the remote. It's just
I
12
just
volt
realized
signal
something.
until
We
the
just
amp to
fucked
turn
up.
on. What?
Did you just say a naughty word? Apologize to the camera, Steve.
I wrapped it around that.
Okay,
metal piece.
that's an apology.
What metal piece? Oh, really?
Yeah. So it's gonna have to stay there unless you want to pull it back through.
No, it's gonna stay there.
Tell me
Alright,
when.
That's good. You're too tight. I'm gonna try to keep as much of it. I'm gonna keep some over here.
All right. Once there's actual progress, other than just touching wires
Wait,
and
I can
stuff,
put this on then, right?
I'll
Tony?
come back.
You can what?
I can put.
All right. So, Tony and Steve have been busting out this sound system. This right here, from what I understand, is power. The power cable, whatever you might call it. And that's gonna go all the way back here to the subs and such. It's gonna run in this grommet, like all hidden. The RCA cable is down there too.
Let me see that.
It's all hidden. Tony
Yeah.
knows more.
Yeah, he pretty much touched it on the spot, right on the spot. But yeah, so we got it ran. Battery's over there. We're gonna zip tie it up with this loom, and then we ran it into that rubber grommet, into the firewall. Bet one of the best options you can possibly do. I know it's difficult, but run it through the firewall. A lot of people, even me back in the day, ran it through the quarter panel. Well, came right to the battery. Ran it right through the quarter panel. Ran it right down through here. Came through that rubber grommet. Popped it right through and followed. Just because it was easiest, it seemed like it was a good idea. But what you have there is that wire ends up getting sun bleached. The coating gets brittle. Then you got shown wires. If it's not that, then when your door is closing and opening, a lot of people end up pinching and causing a mess. So take your time, run it through a firewall grommet, do a little slice with a razor, and do it correct. But yeah, guys, we're gonna keep attacking this and get it done.
No, for some weird reason.
All right. So, what are you guys doing?
Oh, the bolt will fall out.
It falls down, so.
You guys are doing
Installing the 12 volt power. Actually, wait to attach that until we get it all hooked up to the amp and everything.
I wasn't gonna hook up the battery until we were done, so we'll still do this and then hook
Oh, your battery's still unhooked?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Took
something
the
that you
ground
should do when you're doing electrical
We
items.
definitely knew to do that and did it and whatnot.
I
and
did.
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, Steve knew.
Yeah, I just gotta hold this up so I can still.
Yeah,
Can you,
hold
can
that.
you put this under
up.
and push up?
Alright, so once that's attached, what else do we gotta do? Just hook all the rest of the wires up and then bingo bango, we have Playing
the
boozy.
amp, supply the amp with what it needs, and then turn it on and tune the amp. And
Don't you have to put that pillowcase stuffing in there still?
Yeah.
That's like. It's only held in by 3 screws, I found out.
Antsy today.
Alright, Tony, what now?
Alright.
Turn on a. Hey.
So I think they got that done. So we'll see what it is. Dude, do
on
boozy.
YouTube.
You gotta do boozy.
Go
What
to
did I just
YouTube
Type
and
in sub test.
no, fuck those. Those are annoying. Type in DECAF on YouTube.
Decaf?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they're about to
Do white
go
clouds.
and do all of that. Tony's about to tune this amp a little bit. Once Steve gets Velcro, this will go up back here. But we'll see how these work.
Turn it up
Yeah.
all the way.
No, go to I don't know how your radio works. What's 20 sound like?
I'm at half right now.
Go louder.
That's good. Do a little bit more. That's good.
Why can't we not hear it yet?
Because the
Yeah,
bass
we're
hasn't dropped.
Do you feel it?
No, not good. Don't hold down.
I think I feel it.
Oh yeah.
I think I feel it, Tony. Did you feel it? Yeah, I feel
Dude, those are pretty nice for what they are. Tony's in his natural
it.
element over
That's
there.
just the truck shaking. I think it's the truck shaking.
Yeah, that's a truck. The amp's not on.
Wait a minute, the amp doesn't have any power at all?
No. Alright, you can turn that down.
Huh. We have to figure out this issue real quick. So you can tell this isn't working, but if you just jump the leads real quick, the amp comes on. So there's just a problem with the remote wire. So Tony's up there getting that figured out. That's Tony right there. So once he gets that figured out, we'll be back and we'll tune it and then crank it up. Send that again, you know? Dude, we have to do a check on this real quick. Dude, I think she works, guys. Alright, so Steve had to go back to work, you guys. Tony's still doing stuff, but I think we finally got it done where Tony can tune it.
Well, I can't do anything tonight.
You can do a little bit.
I'm just gonna set it half and half.
Okay.
How do I do it? I can do it if you teach me.
Just listen.
Yeah, Tony's got the best ears around, guys.
Because they're gigantic.
But amp has power. Tony's just kind of fiddling with the dials, you know. Subs are in. All the wiring's ran. Lighting's probably horrible because it's nighttime, but hey guys.
Lighting's probably terrible because there's no lighting.
But other than that, guys, thanks for watching our redneck way of installing subs and an amp. So we'll see you back. Hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up. Alibot.